Alright, so I pulled all this shit out of the cabinet here. So this is basically how the dishwasher drain pipe was, because there was a lot of shit down in the bottom here, and this was kind of like pushed out because of that. But even if it was there, that's still not good. You can see it comes out of there, comes here, loops around, and it goes down to the bottom. So my initial thought was, you could probably just put it up there and that'll be fine. But what I would rather do is actually get it screwed down and mounted so it's more out of the way and also sort of loops at as high as it can go. So that's what I'm gonna do. And there's also 2 outlets down here plugged in. So this top one would seem to go to the dishwasher, which that's kind of interesting, considering that this one here is for the garbage disposal, which has a wall switch to turn on and off. I don't know. Kind of interesting. Oh wow, this back part, I'm not gonna be able to screw into that. That is very thin. Side panels are solid wood though. We can screw into those. This back piece here feels like it's maybe 1/4 inch thick. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be drilling into that for screws. But yeah. Oh. And I think I'm going to have to take that thing off to really reroute this properly. So we'll see what I can do here. Alright, so I got it rerouted. Comes in there and goes straight up now. Then it runs all along the top back there and then snakes back down into the disposal. So this outlet is on a switch. I had to turn the switch on in order to use the drill. So whatever this plug is plugged into isn't working unless the switch is turned on. So I don't know what's up with that at this moment in time, but we'll just get under here. So I think you can see this. I just drilled a screw in that piece of wood up there and then used a zip tie to hold that. And that's the only one, that is the only thing that's gonna hold this. And it should be pretty darn stable. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. But yeah, I would call this probably fixed to a reasonable level. As opposed to whoever did the installation on this thing, probably somebody from Lowe's or Best Buy or who knows where. As opposed to what your appliance installers will do for you. This is probably a fuck ton lot better. And won't lead to water backing up into your dishwasher and making it smell like rotten eggs or God knows what. Alright, now I got all this shit put back on there, so probably not quite the way it was, but the fucking dishwasher plastic drain hose is not flopping around in there anymore, and shouldn't give us any more problems, hopefully. What? What do you want? What? I want you biting me, fucker. What do you want? Stop it. Yeah, I have no idea. Fucking cats, man.